This way.
To range for 2, wala. Rebound by
Kurt.
2 points. All 2. All 2. DJ. Pass to Paul. Back to Ristan. 2 points. 4-2. Minutes and 56. Wala. Rebound by Ristan. To DJ 2 points by DJ. 6-2. Zap. Pass to. Wala na. Team A. Ay, Team B. 6-2.
I heard that an MU across town got to level 200 in one day at the training room.
What is this?
Double drop, yeah.
It can trigger continuous drops and increase drop rate by 50%. This is real.
Let's use it to enhance my weapon.
Bola pa rin na. Team B.
Double gear drop. Let's see if...
Kuya, may bagong dating.
Oy, shoutout sa mga sampo dyan. Good evening.
Hindi na pala kayo.
Ano nyo?
Sorry ah.
Paul. Carlo. To BJ. To Vincent. Taking 2. Wala. Bola na. Team B pa rin. Score. 6-2 pa rin. Oras. 7 minutes and 49. To Kyle. Bumalik kay BJ. To Paul. Wala pass. Intercepted by Red. To Dem. 7 minutes and 20. To Carlo. To Zach. To Carlo. Wala. Rebound by Paul. Behind the back. To DJ. Wala. Rebound by Jason. 6-2 pa rin. To Zach. Na-intercepted. To Carl. To DJ. Wala. Rebound by Red. To Dem. 6 minutes and 54. Dem. Taking 3. Wala. Rebound by Vincent. Intercepted kaya. Nakuha ni Paul. Foul, guys. Foul, silent. 6 minutes and 32 seconds. Score, 6-2. In favor of Team B. To Carlo. Back to BJ. Fake. BJ. Foul. Next game. 6-2. Sige. Out of bounds. Bola ng team A. 6 minutes and 28 seconds. 5 minutes change po tayo ha. 5 minutes change. 6-2 pa rin in favor of Team B. Jason to Zach. Making his move. Zach. 2 points by Zach. 6-4 in favor of Team B pa rin. 6-4. Bola na. Bola pa rin ng Team B. DJ. Back na bola. BJ pa rin. BJ. Wala. Rebound by Kurt. 6-4. In favor of Team B. James. To Jason. Taking 2. 2 boys.
May stats yan.
Yun lang. Wala ko tayo. Yun lang.
Kaya Benoy, may stats yan.
Nasulat mo? Nasulat. Not counted pala. Not counted. 6-4 pa rin. Last possession niya before change. 5 minutes and 10 seconds. 3. Wala. Rebound by Kurt. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Jan. Jan. Namadali. Oh, change mo tayo. Change. Score. 84. Ito yung maro. Team B. Apat lang. 8-4. 8-4 na mga Team B. Dems. Torrens. To Jason. JP making his move. JP to Dems. Para pas Torrens. Wala. Rebound by Carlo. 4 minutes and 33 seconds. Score 8-4. Shoutout po sa mga bagong dating sa mga
Message from Clearman.
Let's say bigla.
You need something for men's
Let's
scalps
say-
that prevents oiliness, irritation, and dandruff.
Sak.
Clearman supercharges your scalp to be a
Sak pa rin. Foul. 4 minutes and 3 seconds. 8-4 pa rin. 8-4 pa rin. 8-4. To Sak. Taking 2. Sak. Wala. Rebound by Christian. Carl. Dalawang pangalan. Tumulang. Wala. Bola ng teammate. Oras. 3 minutes and 37 seconds. 8-4. Team B pa rin. JP. Foul. Oras. 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Dems. To JP. Taking 3. Wala. Bola lang. Ibay pa rin.
Para malaki yung pera may kashi. Malaki yung pera uubusin natin.
Score 8-4. 3 minutes exactly. To Sak. Sak pa rin. Pass to Dems. To break. Taking 2. Wala. Rebound by Red. To Dems. Wala. Rebound by Vincent. 2 minutes and 41 seconds. DJ, ano yung pass? Napakataas, pero bola na. Teammate. 2 minutes and 25 seconds. Score, 8-4. 8-4 in favor of Team B. To JP. JP ulit. JP making his move. JP to Greg. To Dems. To JP taking 3. Wala. 2 minutes and 5 seconds. Score 8-4. 8-4 pa rin ang score. To Carlo. Intercepted. Last 2 minutes. To Dems. To Sak. Sak making his move. 2 points by Sak. 8-6. Dalawa na lang. 8-6. To Carl. 2 points. 10-6. Oras. 1 minute and 30 seconds. 1 minute and 20 seconds. Intercepted by Paul. Intercepted back to foul. Oras, 1 minute and 6 seconds. Score, 10-6 in favor of Team B. 1 minute and 4 seconds. BJ. Making his move, 2 points by BJ. Foul pala, foul. Ganun pa rin.
Yosan.
Oras, last 50 seconds. Taking 2. Wala. Rebound by DJ. To Carl. Taking 2. 2 points. 12-6. Oras. 40 seconds. 40 seconds. 2 Debs. Para pass to Renz. 2 points. Last 25 seconds. 12-8. Carl, wala. Rebound by Renz. 12-8. Last 17 seconds. 17 seconds. Jason, wala. Rebound by DJ. Last 9 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 4 seconds. 12-8. Last 4 seconds. 12-8. 4 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Time na. Stop. Panalo. Team